oasis in a world of chaos. There is a secret that men have sought.
Are you ready to die now?
Only the bravest and best can make a stand, and only the indomitable human spirit can give them the will to win. An epic pilgrimage through terrible hardship, and a hidden pathway that leads through a universe of savage beauty and constant peril.
Now let's try the wood technique.
But the earth overcomes wood.
I don't think your earth can overcome anything.
The battle lies ahead, and the clock of doom is ticking towards midnight in a savage confrontation. Only a chosen few can make the journey or destroy everything.
Hey!